Hi, welcome back to section 10.3. Next thing we're going to do is a lot more simplifying. So this time we're going to simplify where things aren't perfect squares anymore. Okay? So we have example 3, part A. I have the cube root of 32. So I want to show you guys what it's like when it's not a perfect cube or a perfect square, something like that, what happens. If you break down 32, that'll be, I probably would think of 8 times 4. And 8 would be 3 2s, or you might think of it as 4 times 2 and break down the 4 to 2 times 2. So when you break it down to its prime factors, really 32 breaks down into 5 2s. Okay? So then, with it being a cube root, you're looking for groups of 3. So I can take out a group of 3 2s, but these two, they don't make a full group yet. Okay? So the thing that we are able to take out of the radical, we have a group of 2s. Will go on the outside, so it just has a 2 for a group of 2s. We still have the same kind of cube root. And then the things that didn't make it into a group, these two 2s, we will multiply them together, and that'll stay on the inside. So 2 times 2 would be 4. And so that's how this simplifies as 2 cube root of 4. Let's try another one. In part B, we have the square root of 25p to the 7th. All right? So 25 is 5 times 5. That's going to be great. P to the 7th, that is 7 p's all multiplied together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With it being a square root, you're looking for groups of 2s. So we have 2 5s, and we have 2 p's. We have actually 3 groups of p's that we can take out. So the things that we can take out of the square root, we have a group of 5s. And we have 3 groups of p's, so that would be p to the 3rd. There's another little p that's left over. He didn't have a partner, so he is going to stay inside the square root, and that's where he gets. Okay? So that'll be the simplified version of this is 5p to the 3rd square root of p. The last one I have is the 12th root of 2 to the 3rd. And so 2 to the 3rd, that's 3 2's multiplied together. So I'm not going to have a group of 12. But I do notice that 3 and 12 have something in common. They're both divisible by 3. So we can simplify this in that way by writing it as a rational exponent. So 3 would be the numerator and 12 would be the denominator. And then that 3/12 simplifies because they're both divisible by 3. That would simplify to 1/4. And then just converting that back to a radical, 1/4 means the exponent is 1. And we have a 4th root. So we can simplify this to be the 4th root of 2. Now it's your all's turn. You get to try one and show me how much you've learned.